Google just released a function inside NotebookLM that turns raw client notes into a complete brand identity system in under 10 minutes. I am talking about color palettes, typography specs, logo usage guidelines, the full visual identity framework that agencies charge $5,000 to build. And the tool costs nothing to run. I am going to walk you through the exact workflow I use to build these deliverables for clients, and at the end I am going to show you the one output format that makes this look like a professional agency document every single time. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I build free AI stacks that replace expensive software. Most of what I show you on this channel would have cost me thousands when I started. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full framework for turning tools like NotebookLM into actual client income step by step, my AI Night Shift course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for $19. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here is what nobody talks about when they recommend brand identity tools. Most design platforms lock their collaboration features, export options, and template libraries behind a paid tier. You are looking at $15 to $50 a month before you have delivered a single brand package to a client. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $40 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like NotebookLM matter. Google built this as a research assistant, but the source grounding feature, the part where it takes uploaded documents and generates structured outputs based on them, turns it into a brand identity engine. And it runs completely free. I call this the Identity Mapping Framework. You feed NotebookLM raw client inputs, their mission statement, target audience description, competitor research, whatever they can give you, and it generates a structured visual identity system with design specs you can hand directly to a client or use to guide your own design work. Most platforms make you build all of that manually. This automates the strategy layer and gives you a professional deliverable in one session. Here is how it actually works. You open NotebookLM and create a new notebook for the client project. Click the plus icon to add a source. You can upload a document or paste text directly. I usually start with a brand discovery document, just a few paragraphs where the client answers questions about their business, their audience, their competitors, and what feeling they want the brand to communicate. You do not need 10 pages. 200 words is enough to give the system context. Upload that as your first source. Now click into the chat interface and prompt it to generate a brand identity framework based on that source material. I use something like this. Analyze the uploaded brand discovery document and generate a comprehensive visual identity system, including primary and secondary color palettes with hex codes, typography recommendations for headers and body text, logo style guidance, imagery direction, and tone of voice guidelines. Make it structured and client ready. Hit enter. NotebookLM processes the source and outputs a full identity system in about 30 seconds. You get color palettes with specific hex values. You get typeface recommendations broken down by use case. One for headers, one for body copy, one for accents. You get logo style direction describing whether the brand should lean minimal, illustrative, geometric, whatever fits the client's goals. You get imagery guidelines describing the photography or graphic style that supports the brand. And you get tone of voice parameters, how the brand should sound in copy. That entire framework used to take a branding agency a week to develop. You just built it in one session using a free tool. Think about what this means for someone offering brand identity services to local businesses. One discovery call, one uploaded document, one prompt. 30 seconds later, you have a complete visual identity system with every design spec a client needs to move forward. That deliverable used to require access to paid design platforms, hours of manual research, and a creative brief that took days to write. With NotebookLM, it takes one afternoon and the tool costs nothing to run. That is a $1,500 brand package built on free infrastructure. Let us keep building. Here is where this gets actually useful for someone running a real service business. That output I just showed you works. But there is a formatting step most people skip, and that is the difference between a document that looks like AI-generated notes and one that looks like it came from a design agency. You need to move the output into a structured template. You can do this in Google Docs, Notion, or Canva for free. I use a simple brand guidelines template I built once and reuse for every client. Copy the NotebookLM output and paste it into the template sections. Colors here, typography here, logo guidance here. Add your branding at the top. Export as PDF. That is your deliverable. Most design platforms in this space lock PDF export behind a paid plan. Google Docs does it for free. The output looks professional, the structure is clean, and the client never knows you built it with a free stack. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to handle first, or it looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. A brand identity system is only useful if the client can actually implement it. That means you need to connect the strategy layer you just built to the execution layer, the actual design files they will use. Here is how you do that without touching a paid platform. Once you have the NotebookLM output formatted into your brand guidelines document, use Canva's free tier to create a few mockup assets that demonstrate the system in action, a social media post template using the color palette and typography, a business card layout following the logo guidance, a letterhead design showing the full identity applied. You are not designing from scratch. You are translating the specs NotebookLM gave you into visual examples. That takes 20 minutes, and it turns a strategy document into a complete brand package. The cost contrast here is massive. Platforms like Adobe Creative Cloud charge $55 a month for the full design suite. Canva Pro is $13 a month. Most solo operators starting out cannot absorb that before they have closed their first client. The free version of Canva combined with NotebookLM gives you the same output capability, strategy, specs, and visual mockups without the subscription overhead. Think about a local coffee shop opening in 6 months. The owner knows they need branding but has no idea where to start. You run them through a discovery call, plug their answers into NotebookLM, generate the identity system, format it into a clean PDF, and create 3 mock-up assets in Canva. You charge them $1,200 for the package. That is a brand identity deliverable that used to require a design degree and expensive software. You built it using a free stack in half a day. Or picture a real estate agent who has been using generic templates for years and wants a cohesive visual identity. You use NotebookLM to build the color palette, typography system, and imagery direction based on their target market. Then you apply those specs to their social graphics, email signatures, and listing flyers. They pay you a setup fee plus a small monthly retainer to keep their templates updated. You are running a brand management service with 0 software costs. Most platforms with this capability bundle it inside a plan that costs more per month than your client is paying you. Your version runs for free. Here is the thing. Graphic design is one of the most accessible services on the menu for someone just getting started. Every local business needs visuals. Most of them have no brand consistency, and almost none of them know how to articulate what they want. That is where a tool like NotebookLM becomes leverage. You are not trying to be a creative director. You are helping a business owner translate their vague ideas into a structured system they can actually use. The AI does the strategy work. You do the implementation. That is a service you can sell today. And listen, if you have not already grabbed my AI Night Shift course at the viewer discount, it is linked in the description. Normally $197, but if you came from this video, you get it for $19. That pricing is only showing for people coming from this link, so head over and grab it while it is there. Drop a comment and let me know if you are taking me up on that. I want to see who is in, and if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me show you what this looks like in a real scenario. A yoga studio owner reaches out because they are rebranding. They have a name, a rough idea of their vibe, and nothing else. You hop on a 30-minute discovery call and ask them 6 questions. Who is your ideal client? What feeling do you want the brand to communicate? What are 3 businesses you admire and why? What words describe your studio's personality? What colors do you gravitate toward? What imagery feels right? You take their answers, type them into a Google Doc, and upload it to NotebookLM as a source. You prompt the system to generate a visual identity framework based on the document. 30 seconds later, you have a full brand system, soft earth tones with specific hex codes, a serif typeface for headers, and a sans serif for body text. Logo guidance recommending a minimal illustrative mark with organic shapes. Imagery direction calling for natural light, neutral tones, and calm compositions. Tone of voice parameters describing the brand as grounding, welcoming, and intentional. You copy that into your template, add a few mockup assets in Canva showing the system applied to social posts and a business card, and export the PDF. You send it over the same day. The client feels like they hired a design agency. You built it with a free stack. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The output format that actually makes this look professional every single time. When you paste the NotebookLM output into your template, add one section most people forget: application guidelines. This is a short paragraph under each element explaining when and how to use it. For the color palette, write which color is the primary brand color, which ones are accents, and what combinations work together. For typography, explain when to use each typeface and what sizes work for different contexts. For logo guidance, describe where the logo should appear and what spacing it needs around it. That section is what separates a spec sheet from a brand guidelines document. It tells the client exactly how to use the system you just built for them, and it takes 3 minutes to write. Most design agencies charge extra for application guidelines. You are including it as standard, and it costs you nothing but a few extra lines of instruction. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. Every local business you talk to becomes a potential brand identity client. You are not pitching design work. You are pitching clarity. A system that makes their marketing consistent, their visuals professional, and their brand recognizable. And you are building it faster and cheaper than anyone competing with you using paid platforms. That is the leverage. You close the client on the call, generate the deliverable the same day, and move to the next one. No waiting on revisions, no back and forth with a design team, no monthly overhead eating into your margin. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.